What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to follow someone on LinkedIn. So if you're scrolling through your feed and you find someone you want to follow them, you can easily do that. Towards the right hand side of any post you should see a follow button. Alternatively, you'll also be able to search for people. So if you know someone or company or whoever, you can also search for them, right? So you can search for the person and you will be able to find that person and you can follow them. So I'm gonna take, for example, my profile here. Maybe I'll be able to find myself, who knows? And if I go ahead and I search for myself or search for somebody with a particular name, you can click on that person and it's going to take you over to the profile, and you can go ahead and you can click on connect. You can connect with that person, right? Or if you find those big pages, as I mentioned on the home page, you will see the follow button. So you can go ahead and you can follow certain pages or certain people. So let's say I want to follow CBS News, I can click on follow, and I'm now following CBS. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.